I have here AMT Airwolf helicopter 1/48 scale kit. Unfortunately, there is some tape on it, but other than that, the box is in pretty good condition. It has the decals. It has all the parts. This is all the transparent parts. There is the main body of the helicopter in 2 pieces. And here is one set of the parts. There are 3 little pieces that fell out from their little connection, but all the parts are there. And then here is the second one, and it's all connected, although it's kind of bending. You can see there, but all those parts are there. It has the instruction manual. That's a pretty cool picture on the top there. And let's go inside. All the information, painting instructions. If you want to paint it as a regular Bell 222B twin, and then the instructions. I'm not quite sure how old this model is, but I'm going to guess it's probably one of the earlier models. So I'm guessing it's from the early 80s or right around when the TV show came out. See, this shows all the pieces. So I know all the pieces are included. Those are disconnected, and this one is disconnected. And that is all of the Airwolf AMT helicopter.